Hi, I'm Celeste with Sawblade.com, here to bring you another product overview featuring our QXT Saw Blades. In this video, I'll be talking about our 3-pack, 7-inch, 38-tooth QXT Saw Blade. This blade is specialized for our Trajan Q700, and it allows you to excel in cutting any steel applications that range from 1/4 to a 1/2-inch wall material thickness. The QXT Saw Blades feature a premium industrial-grade carbide tooth that lasts over 25 times longer than your conventional abrasive disc, saving you time and money in replacement blades. These blades also incorporate an industrial brazing technology, which creates an extra durable bond between the teeth and body of the blade. The QXT Blade also features an enhanced thick-cut body that is laser-cut made rather than stamped, yielding a true spinning blade that produces cooler and faster cuts while leaving a smooth, workable finish. The superior triple-chip ground tooth design gives this industrial blade the ability to excel in cutting a variety of applications, such as stainless steel, aluminum, wood, and plastic. Sawblade.com carries an extensive line of QXT saw blades as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products at factory direct prices. So what are you waiting for? Log on to Sawblade.com for all of your sawing needs. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.